Hello everybody, let's go and count to 100 together. Learn counting from 1 to 100 in English. I will give you the standard English pronunciation as well as the American one when it's available and different. I will say each number twice. I suggest for a better learning experience, you also pronounce each number in between the two times. I will say each number. Number 1. Your turn now. You go. 1. 1. Number 2. You go. 2. 3. You go. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. Number 6. You go. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 13. 14. Stress on the teen syllable for all those teen numbers. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. A long E sound on those. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. 20. 20. 21. 21. 22. 22. In American English, they say it as 20, 22, 22. Or in British English, 22. 23. 23. 24. 24. 25. 25. 26. 26. 27. 27. 28. 28. 29. 29. 30. 30. Or in American English, 30. 30. Or 30. 31. 31. 32. 32. 33. 33. 34. 34. 35. 35. 36. 36. 37. 37. 38. 38. 39. 39. 40. 40. Or in American English, 40. 40. 41. 41. 42. 42. 43. 43. 44. 44. 45. 45. 46. 46. 47. 47. 48. 48, 49, 49, 50, 50, or in American English, 50 also. Yes, it's similar here. 51, 51, 52, 52, 53, 53, 54, 54, 55, 55, 56, 56, 57, 57, 58, 58, 59, 59, 60. American English is similar. 60, 61, 61, 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65, 66, 66, 67, 67, 68, 68, 69, 69, 70, or in American English, 70, 70, or in British English, 70, 70, 71, or 71 in American English, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79, 80, 80, or in American English, 80, 80, 81, or in American English, 81, 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, 90, or in American English, 90, 90, or in British English again, 90, 91, or in American English, 91, 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, we're getting there, 97, 97, 98, 98, we're almost there, 99, 99, 100, 100, don't forget the H at the beginning, you've made it, 100. Subscribe to learn more if you want to learn more correct pronunciations and learn more English. It's free. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations and learn more confusing words and learn more English with me. Thanks for watching.